Alright, here's a video of some guy taking 2 minutes out of his day to make my day. Wait, let's rewind that. This is right after he comes over and he saw me shoveling. This is like 4 feet of snow here, the snowplow put in. So I just started shoveling that. I just got my path out to the car. So he's like, hey, you want me to help you with the machine? I'm like, yeah, that would be great. So that's where he's asking me, hey, you want a hand? And this is me saying, I did something right in my life. Somebody's helping me out. What a good neighbor. That guy lives actually not at that White House. He lives at the other house to the left of what you're seeing there. He just owns that machine. So he helps that neighbor. You know, they're friends. I talked to this guy a few times. Nothing. We don't hang out or anything, but this is 2 minutes. He just moves that entire snow pile out of my way. I was going to pull the car up so he could get all the way to the back of the car, but it didn't take that long. Plus, I didn't have my keys on me. I didn't want to risk losing them in the snow. See that little red snowblower in the bottom right corner? That's from my friend Tom. Thank you, Tom, because that wound up helping me get the rest of the snow out. It couldn't do 2 feet of snow, but I shoveled it down to near the bottom and then it would scrape the driveway clean. I could probably show you a video of what it looks like afterwards. That's it. 2 minutes, done with the machine, took away 4 feet high, and now that's compacted snow because the snowplow has been putting it by my car. Took it all away. All I had to do was clear this stuff right to the back of the car. So that was pretty freaking amazing of him. Yeah, this is a good picture of what the snow looked like. As you can see, that's the height of the whole back of my car. That would have taken me quite a while to shovel out. And here's a good before and after picture of what my driveway looked like yesterday and what my driveway looked like today after I shoveled it out. That enough snow for all you southerners? I don't know. Officially the highest snowfall we've gotten on Long Island. They say we got 28.5 inches of snow. Like, oh my God. But anyway, that's about that for now. Thank your neighbor today.